What's going on YouTube? It's the X Predator here, and I am doing another unboxing.
The revolution will be live.
For the A10 helmet Bluetooth. Now the other one that I did, it depends. I might combine the videos, but with that, as my channel is growing, product is being sent to me to test, and I'm going to be doing just that. Now, I had my Skylar Rider in here, but I don't have enough cradle bays or audio unit kits to keep switching back and forth, and it becomes tedious and a pain in the behind. So what is working out for me, I have the other unit that may go in my Venom helmet from Ghostbiker Helmet, and this one will probably be a mainstay in my Shoei X14. So I'm opening this for the first time, and let's see. I like that it has an audio kit on the outside per se. That's what the other one lacked. But that's a big boy there. Let's see. All right, so it looks like, let's see. All right, I had to get this thing into focus, but it looks like it's different. It looks like you can use your own headset for this, that is a plus. That right off the jump is a cool thing. This feels like it's water resistant. And folks need to understand the difference between waterproof and water resistant, because it still has holes into the electronics and whatnot. But so far, you got the volume up, volume down, make calls. I'm not sure what this is, but I'm going to take a look. Now, it looks like it's easier to mount to a helmet than the Skylar Rider. Just has the clip on there, but let's put this off to the side. Take a look at, yeah, because the lighting in the living room is kind of, losing focus, but, oh, okay. Let's see. Looks like it's gonna go on my X14 just fine. And I already have my AirPods in here. So this is recommended mounting configuration. So I'll put this away. What else comes in the box? This will probably be a raw upload to the channel, but let's see what it comes with. Comes with the charger. They're still using the micro. Yeah, they still use it. Everything needs to convert to Type C. Alright, so these are like Velcro mounting pads. Let's see what else we got. So you have the microphone. This is the most important. Alright, so let's get this on out. Oh, okay. I wouldn't say it's an issue, but this is mounted. So, or it's combined. So you have the microphone, and the earphone in one port here. So you can't use this Skylar Rider. Like, you'll lose the microphone function. I think that it's a good and a bad thing. It's like you can use other devices, it looks like, with this thing. Like, you can go to a PC store or just audio, like Sam Ash or something, and pick up something for this. But I will like to note that the pads are a lot bigger than what comes with Cardo. So actually they're close to the Uclear size. But there you have it with the unboxing. Follow up. I plugged it in and it actually got lights on it. They look kind of cool. But again, we're gonna see what this bad boy can do once I get a little juice in it, and we'll go from there. I had to plug it up to my brother-in-law's Xbox One X, but yeah, we're gonna see um, the sound quality and go from there. So I got this thing working. The sound quality is cool, but I'm really not a fan of this being one unit, because if those start to fail, then you're gonna have an issue. So unless they have like replacement kits for this, like Cardo has the microphone in a separate compartment. Yeah, so God forbid this thing goes down, then you lose everything. The unit itself is still somewhat modular, but that's my only gripe with it right now. The sound quality is pretty good. Um, but yeah, that's my only thing. I believe in breaking things up so that, if I went to use my own earpods, um, I could, like if you have a Samsung Android like I do, you can use that has the speaker in it, in the headphone and do your thing. But it's just my preference. But you know, it is what it is. Just giving you an honest, unbiased opinion on the product. So I'm still going over it little by little, and if it were up to me, that'd be separate. What's going on YouTube? ZX Predator here, and doing a little demo. Now, the last video I did was with my brother-in-law. We were doing the Bluetooth demonstration for his, and as you can see, we finally got him a jacket, gloves, helmet, everything. I'm gonna like this bike, but anyway. Oh, and then I know the garage is a little junky, but made some significant progress. My Predator skull, and I brought this. We resurrected the old school helmet and made it look more like the traditional, the classic Predator stuff. Remember, that used to be white, but it's just a little sidebar. But anyway, point of the video. Now, I did the unboxing for this on another video a while back, but I didn't like the quality of it. I felt I rushed it, so I wanted to come back and do it the right way. So most of you know that I work with, I am a big Skylar Rider supporter, and that's my primary communication device. I have the cradles and all that on all my Predator helmets and all that. Oh, we got my Mega Man cosplay and my Batman down there. But yeah, I figured for this helmet, I was gonna try something a little different. Now, I on the unboxing video, I'll have the link in the description. I showed you what came with it. It's already installed, but now I just wanted to, talk about the quality and all that good stuff. So my brother-in-law was able to help me with the last one. This one, I had to use the GoPro POV camera so that I can, because it's already bonded to my phone. So, all right, so now we're gonna go to Bluetooth. All right, I'm gonna turn this thing on. All right, so, all right, let's get this put over here. Actually, I should just mount it. All right, so now just want to make sure this is in view. So you have your volume up, volume down. It's very simple on this A10. It doesn't have all the bells and whistles from the Skylar Riders that I use, but it's simple enough where it works. So let's go ahead. You got the power button. All right, so you see my Skylar Rider has the volume on the back and the front. The volume you're gonna have to actually control from your phone, whereas the Skylar Rider you can actually control it. But even the other Bluetooth that we did in the other video is like that. So that's kind of a drawback if it had the on device control of the volume. Now the plus and minus, if you're listening to your music, it'll just cycle through your tracks. I haven't used it enough to really get into the bells and whistles, but let's see. we're going to, oh, I don't want to get in trouble with copyright. So it's 54 degrees today. It looks pretty decent. So, all right. So let's, now here's the example. I hit the plus and minus. It should be volume, but it cycled through my tracks. So now you got to do it on the phone itself. So yeah, I was a big Double Dragon fan. I'm giving away my age, but yeah, the volume control is really good. All right, and then do like a quick demo call. Yeah, it's pretty loud for considering, and it's not quite like the JBLs that you would get with the Pack Talk, but you know, definitely some good stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and call my brother-in-law. Hold on, give me a second. Just doing a quick demo, just so you guys can hear. Okay. All right, so I went to make the call.
Hello?
Michou,
Yeah.
m'a testé Bluetooth pour YouTube. Vous entendez bien?
Oh. Yeah, m'entends bien.
Ok. Oh, les marchés. Wow, les clair, oui.
Yeah, il marche bien, bien, bien.
Okay, good stuff, good stuff. All right. So, as you can hear, all right, so you could tap that to call. The voice commands are actually pretty good on this thing. I do want to give a shout out to, you know, the vendor sending me, you know, this to demonstrate on the channel. It's really clear, very simple, you know. I think some of the trade-offs aren't too bad, but you know, for the price of this and that other unit, if you're not trying to spend an arm and a leg, I will highly recommend picking this up. You know, so all the details will be in the description below. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, just, you know, hit me up, and then I'll, you know, forward you to, you know, the R&D and product team that created it. So, and then,
All right, YouTube. I guess the last part of this video is the verdict. I like this one. It's pretty cool. So I'm kind of guesstimating here, but with these buttons, the volume, I had to figure it out. You press and hold to do volume up and down, and then you do single taps if you want to go through like your songs, and then you have the call button, and then the general button, I think it does something random. I'm still trying to check out the controls, but the sound quality is on point. It has a nice soft but thudding bass inside. This is not very intrusive. You know, like I was checking it on one of my jackets, and let me tell you, I'm pleasantly surprised. I actually like this unit more than the other unit that was sent to me. You'll see in the another video, but this is all right. This is all right. The A10 Bluetooth, I put it on my X14. I don't think it's gonna be coming out. So far, so good. I say I give it, if I had to do 5 stars, I'll do a 4 out of 5. The problem for me is the fact that you're pretty much married to a microphone. If you wanted to do like earbuds, you can't, you know. But this, aside from that, really good stuff, you know. So great
and then
comments.
just to simply turn it off, you hold that button. It'll go red, and it'll give you the prompt that it's turning off, and that's that. So, yeah, I know a lot of bugs on the helmet. You know what I was doing with it. So, with that, make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe. And, you know, again, I try to try different things. You never know. I don't want to have my more expensive stuff, you know, get destroyed or whatever. I mean, if cost is an issue to you, those two kits are viable options. So, and you know, it doesn't look too bad. Easy on the eyes. Just, you know, a couple features like with the Skylar Rider, you know, it has wind volume control. So as you're picking up speed, it increases the speed so that, you know, or the sound volume, so that, you know, you can correct it. Here, everything is manual. You gotta do it through the phone with the volume control. That's my only gripe with it. But for my X14 helmet, it is what it is. So I'm outie. Thank you for watching.